Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. So I just did a oil change for my 2011 Honda Fit, so I need to reset the oil life gauge. So this is how you do it. Turn the key to the on position. Now we're already at oil life. If you're not at oil life, then flip through until you go back to oil life, which is here. So hold this for about 15 seconds. It's gonna start flashing. Okay, it's flashing. So release it. Hold it again. And release it, and our oil life is back to 100%. So guys, what I also do suggest is when you reset your oil life gauge in the car, also do a tire rotation. So every time you have to do an oil change, you'll do the tire rotation at the same time and there's no guesswork. Guys, that is your quick tip of the week.